the next one, the entire India and Pakistan will be on their feet because we've got the co-main event for the evening, which is for the bantamweight title. We've got Dhruv Chaudhary in the blue corner representing India, and he's taking on Ulumi Karim in the red corner representing Pakistan.
जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान का क्रिकेट मैच होता है तो इतने धमाके हो जाते हैं, तो आप ये सोच के देखो यहाँ जब जंग के मैदान में ये दोनों उतरेंगे तो क्या होएगा। बहुत मजा आने वाला है आज। ध्रुव और उलूमी दोनों ही बड़े खतरनाक फाइटर्स हैं। ध्रुव को तो इंडियन एमएमए में बच्चा जानता है, बट उलूमी के बारे में मैं आपको बताऊं, पाकिस्तान के नॉर्दर्न रीजन से आते हैं वो, जहां बहुत माउंटेन्स हैं। और उलूमी फाइटर होने के साथ साथ एक म्यूजिशियन भी हैं और इनके पास कंप्यूटर साइंस की डिग्री भी है। तो काफी यूनिक, काफी अलग तरह के इंसान है ये। बहुत रोमांचक मुकाबला होने वाला है आज यहाँ।
हम सारे भाइयों ने, भाई नाम ध्रुव चौधरी है, अपने लोकल मेरठ का रहने वाला हूँ। जब से पैदा हुआ, जब से इस स्पोर्ट्स में आया हूँ, तब से एक पाकिस्तानी से लड़ना चाह रहा था। देखो 100% मानता हूँ, वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले अ स्पोर्ट्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स में कोई दुश्मनी नहीं होती। रिंग के अंदर हम लोग जो भी है, रिंग के बाहर हम लोग भाई जैसे हैं। रिंग के अंदर तो बात नहीं है, जितना दमखम है दिखाओ और बता दो कि इंडिया से कोई खेलने आया, इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान। और भाई बाकी तो पार्टी इंडिया में आके करेंगे। गेट रेडी दिल्ली में स्वागत के लिए। धन्यवाद।
My name is Ulumi Karim Shaheen. My fight name is Kratos, God of War. It goes on the look. I am from Pakistan, from the northern Pakistan. This will be my third fight against an Indian opponent. I'm fighting Dhruv Chaudhary for the Bantamweight Championship.
Now, making his way to the cage, Dhruv Psycho Chaudhary!
If ever there was a fitting nickname, it is Psycho for Dhruv. After spending time with the guy, you realize he is absolutely crazy.
Well, he's living up to his cage name. He's a psycho for sure. Cutting down to the bantamweight now for the title, and he's one of the most experienced fighters in the Indian MMA circuit.
इनकी लुक देखो, इनकी फील देखो, सही बोल रहे हो आप, एकदम साइको है ये। और अभी प्रोमो वीडियो में भी ये क्या बोल रहे थे कि पूरी जिंदगी में मेरी तमन्ना थी मुझे एक बार पाकिस्तानी से लड़ना है। जॉन, he said it was his lifelong dream to fight a Pakistani, and now he's got that opportunity. Let's look at his keys to victory.
Here's it on you, you will not escape.
Well, yes, John. And for this fight, Dhruv ran his camp at Soma MMA in Bali. So far, I think Coach Mike of Soma MMA has been so successful. He's 3-0. 3 of his fighters fought today, and they've got the wins. Over to Jared.
And his opponent, making his way to the cage, Ulumi Karim!
पाकिस्तान के उलूमी करीम केज की ओर बढ़ते हुए। बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सनालिटी है इनकी, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सनालिटी है। म्यूजिशियन है, गिटार बजाते हैं, कंप्यूटर साइंस की डिग्री है, बहुत ही वेल स्पोकन आदमी है। एंड I'm really excited, Rahul, to see what he shows us in the cage tonight. Let's look at the tail of the tape. Dhruv is 29 years old. Ulumi is 31. ये बैंटमवेट टाइटल फाइट है, लेकिन ध्रुव अगर जीत भी जाते हैं तो उन्हें टाइटल नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि उन्होंने वेट मिस कर दिया था।
He's got that wider stance, probably trying. Got some slipping again.
काफी स्लिपरी हो चुकी है केज।
Well, this is the co-main event, the
Beautiful
11th
leg
fight
kick.
of the
Beautiful leg
night.
kick.
कड़क लेग किक लगाई वहां पे ध्रुव ने।
Dhruv connected right there with a nice straight right hand.
बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट स्ट्राइकिंग कर रहे हैं ध्रुव, अपना पूरा टाइम ले रहे हैं और उसके बाद लैंड कर रहे हैं। क्या बात है।
Dhruv
Landing kicks,
fakes low and goes high,
using his reach advantage.
as he should.
Guys, did you notice that he threw 2 leg kicks and then the third one went?
Our crowd is really getting into the fight now.
और उलूमी गए टेक डाउन के लिए। 4-5 स्ट्राइक्स खाने के बाद उलूमी को भी कुछ करना ही था, तो उन्होंने चार्ज इन किया और यहाँ ध्रुव को पकड़ रखा है उन्होंने केज के अगेंस्ट।
We've got the crowd getting electric here. We can hear people shouting India and Pakistan, and they're in. We've got Ulumi Karim attempting a takedown, and he's got He's carrying.
He's got it.
And he throws him at his corner. Well, that's some intelligent fighting.
It is very intelligent fighting.
John, he carried Dhruv from his corner and threw him at his own corner. And some intelligent fighting here by Ulumi Karim. The Kratos God of War.
I'm going to watch for Ulumi here to put a little bit more pressure on Drew and go again for that takedown where he was finding success.
बिल्कुल उलूमी को distance close करना होगा and he'll have to go for that takedown.
Drew is really going to need to establish a jab right now. There we go. Shoots in for the double leg. Gets him against the cage. Fighting for a single leg. Drew has a good double underhook here, preventing him from getting in. Fighting for inside control.
फिलहाल बढ़िया काम करते हुए ध्रुव टेकडाउन को डिफेंड करने का और उन्होंने पलट दिया है अब उलूमी को.
Ulumi has a body lock and is able to reverse it.
Ulumi is very strong, John.
He is very strong.
For sure. He's put up a good camp for this fight under the patronage of his elder brother, Coach Ehtisham.
Nice clinch and knee series by Dhruv here. Dhruv is going to need to establish that jab, guys. Oh, he's out, guys.
Right hand. This could be it.
Well, this looks a little bit punch drunk.
Wow.
Man,
what a right
goodness.
hand.
Ulumi Karim makes history, becomes the first Pakistani MMA fighter to win a title at Matrix Fight Night. We've got the undisputed and the first bantamweight title holder.
एक ही मुक्के में उलूमी करीम ने कहानी करी खत्म और खुद को बनाया MFN का बैंटम वेट चैंपियन.
Well, exactly, that's what Ulumi Karim is shouting. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. Let's look at that.
Let's look at what happened, guys. That punch was insane.
Man, that was
right
really
on
nice.
the chin, and Dhruv was out.
A very nice right overhand right there, guys. Very well placed, right on the button, putting.
But what a performance by Ulumi.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Dan called the stop to this contest in the first round at 3 minutes and 17 seconds for your winner by knockout. And now, the new MFN Bantamweight Champion of the World, Ulumi Kratos Karim!
So much everyone for coming out here, being such an amazing audience and putting on such a beautiful show.